Hello all viewers. Hi. So today's video related to the I'm saying sorry for that not uploading the video related to the Kolli Hills which I just visited 1 week back. So what is happening actually, yesterday some friends planned for a camping and I went with them, and I just came, and it's very hard to edit the full vlog. Okay, so actually it is in progress. Hopefully next weekend you will get that video. So sorry for that. And actually why I'm just saying or conveying this thing in English, because I met so many friends in Tamil Nadu side, in Kolli Hills side, and actually they're not aware of the Hindi much. So उनको हिंदी ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, तो इसी कारण मैं that's why I'm just creating this video in English, so at least they will get like what I'm trying to say. And mostly I will add some subtitle for them too, because they will be a part of my Kolli Hill vlog part 1 and part 2, because I met so many good friends over there. Okay, and yeah, so hopefully next weekend, Saturday Sunday, you will get your Kolli Hill vlog part 1 part 2. One thing I just want to say, that I have just added one more gadget in my gadget list. Okay, it is good to show you this one. Hopefully you people able to recognize that what is it. I think okay, so I think you got the idea. So tomorrow I'm going to one place where I can use that. Hopefully if there will be no issue, then I will be able to use it, and I will show you so many good content and so many good videos related to that. So just learning new things and applying on that actually took time, because nowadays I'm working on my voice. So that my voice should be at much sweet as I can try. Okay, I just want my voice to be you people able to feel like, okay, there is no noise in that voice. Okay, so I'm just trying to create that. So thanks for watching my all vlog, all my videos, and just keep hitting like, share, subscribe button, and all the sharing with your friends you need to do. So hopefully thanks for all, and just I'm just saying sorry for that, for not uploading the video. We'll upload soon. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye, take care.